Man, steamer come have a food, man. Food. Oh, well, at it, man. I be down by the river. Yeah, man, me there by the riverside today. I may cook some tin mackerel, yes, sir. Add tin mackerel, some soft yam, dumpling. Yeah, man, Camille dumpling. You don't know the thing going on. Yeah, man, so you just stay tuned. Remember, like up the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. I be down by the river. Don't know the thing. I'm not a singer, I know, I'm half key, no. Comment and let me know what you think. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so got some fire stick here. Chop them up small. Alright, so right there, so me line up the fireside, you know. Get in some stone. Water test. I need one more stone still, cause no 3 stone for you, you know. Nice. That's supposed to be good. Alright, so I get some kring, you know. Kring has them there, right? Just so you know. They have some limbs, you know. So it's all gone. Boy, I catch up, you know. So right about now, need up some flour. Got little caramel here. Yeah. I throw the flour, you know. Bust the bag. Yeah. Right, so that amount of flour good. And then this is the caramel. I use all of that little caramel. So I get in a little salt, you know. And then start mixing up. Yeah, got my water here in my calabash. Knead up the flour, knead up the flour. So it's all about some dumpling, soft yam, and some tin mackerel. Yeah. That go on, what go on today. Wow. I think we need no more water after this. Knead up my dough, you know. It still come like you can take some more water, man. Yeah, man, so soon as the fire catch up, I put on a pot with the water. So, you know, I don't want to waste no time, so I just start knead up the flour in the meantime. Yeah, man. Big up all my viewers, big up all my subscribers, them every time, you know. Alright, so let's on the pot on the fire. Cover it up. Yeah, I did. I know I cover this seapot. I know I wrong cover this. I did wrong cover. See, right cover, I know. That is it. Get in some salt. Yeah, man, fire blazing on that pot, you know. That is it, man. White paper. Fire give me a warm time, yeah. With them cold. Yeah, man, it give me a warm time, yeah. Yeah. But I give up still, you know. Yeah, dumpling are going in a pot. You know, don't count the dumpling, you know. Don't count the dumpling, them, you know. Yeah, so I just add a little more flour upon it. And a little water. So dumpling can make better, you know. Time for peel the good old renta yam, me have ya. Renta yam. Yeah, man. Peel some renta yam, you know. Good old renta yam, yeah, man. Big up my Uncle Philip. Yeah. I don't know how him dig them, yeah, man. Nice. Renta yam, you know. Peel them and then wash them off. I cut this in a two, you know. So yeah, deal with it. So yeah, deal with it. Next piece, yeah. So yeah, deal with it. Just like that, you know. Put it up. That is it. So we deal with it, you know. Yeah. Alright, so me wash off the yam them now, you know. Wash off the yam them, wash off the yam them, wash off the yam them. Them full of dirt. A little peel same way. Right. Another thing with rent yam, can't keep it too long before you cook it, you know. So we get stale. And something to stale long. Quicker you can cook it when you dig it, better for you. Yeah, man. I'm ready for go in a pot here now, you know. Water boil up again, you know. See? I get in the yam them now. Yam them I put in now, you know. See what time o'clock I strike? Yeah. Yam's in the pot. But I bubble up regardless of the fire get trouble, you know. Alright, so I get this seasoning them cut up, you know. First start off with my hot pepper. Hot pepper. And I use two of them. Alright, so hot pepper done cut up already, you know. So tomato now. Take off the part there. Yeah. It's coming like a salad. Already foreign tomato them this. Yes, won't look like a foreign things. Alright. So after that, let's put them to the side, and then some onion. It's our local onion. I got two of them, so I use the two of them because them small. Right. So that is it. Oh no, man, no problem. Just give them a cut. Yeah, I know chef stylist, you know, but you don't know a thing. Camera help me out, you know. Yeah, long time in there, help me out to the fire. Fire give you a warm time, people. How many pot there go see what go on there? See if him still a boil.
Yeah.
Tak bubble. Ya, ada apa ya, ada. Nah, bubble again, man. Like we are fight, but we still a fight. Fight, you know, no matter what. Food have to eat. So wait for the yam them to cook, you know. Like some cook and some no cook. Yaja. This no cook, you know. Okay, back. Regardless of the fire struggles, food ready. Yeah, man. Cook. So I take off the pot off the fire. Now, you know. Yes, I. So time to get on the mackerel pot, you know. Get on the pot the same time, you know. Get on the pot, see mackerel same time. Now waste no time, like a long time there I wait. You know. Pour some oil in the pot, go hot, you know. That is it. So I go on now. Watch your fire blaze, you know. Fire blaze, you know. So we are getting the natural seasoning in the pot, you know. Yeah, man. Onion and tomato alongside that pepper. Wagwan. Cover it up with kind of steam, you know. That is it. Alright. Good piece of dry time in it, you know. Time dry up, but go and get a little flavor. Same here. Alright, so going with the tin mackerel, you know. Lasco tin mackerel. I love Lasco tin mackerel, you know, them just nice. Then so another one here. Two of them here use. Alrighty. Alright, so I get in some ketchup in it, you know. Only put ketchup in it, nice it up. Then we have some fish season. Yeah, Maggi fish season here. Yeah, some Maggi fish season. Get in some of it. It'll get a little flavor, see here. But them lining up my paper, you don't know. So I'm gonna share out the food them, you know. Give thanks for this food, Father God. Yeah, man. How long would they wait for the food for cook? My God. My God. Man, we are cooking, I tell us now, at nearly 4 o'clock or after 4 you know, trust me. Yeah. Fire give you a warm time today, trust me, but give thanks to him here. Could be worse. So, you know, camera they down here, aka Mad Thing. So, it's a share for me and him, you know. Small color wash. Back to basic. Yeah, that is it.
That is it. Oh God, man.
You know, lag it, eh?
Oh God, man.
Oh God, man. Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah. So you check in it, give thanks to the food again.
Right,
That is it.
That is it.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
How long we went for food for cook?
Oh God, man.
Eat mackerel,
Eat market,
dumplings.
Oh God, man. Oh God, man.
So half yam. Nice with the tin mackerel. No? One steamer come have a food, man. Food. Oh, well, at it, man. That is it, man. Yeah, man, big up each and everyone who watch the video until the end. Yeah, man, enough respect in every aspect. You don't know out here. Still I go and eat tin mackerel and my dumpling and my soft yam. And me have a bag juice to go drink to it when I finish. But me I finish for eat for. They already start drinking, but I finish eating food and then I check back in it, you know. So I go on here now. Empty. Food shell down, you know. So what time I know? Bag juice. Bag juice. Refreshing. Man, big up on yourself again. Yeah, man, I love and respect every time. Do remember like up the video? Share it out with your friends, your family. Feel like more than drink an next bag juice. Who volunteer to buy me a bag juice? Buy me a next bag juice, somebody.